Hey honey crew, let's keep the sales funnel party going. Today I'm going to be sharing one of the easiest sales funnels you can implement right away that will lead to money quickly. Welcome back, honey crew. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe because we have new videos like this coming out every week that are going to help you with your online marketing and your sales game so that you can make more money in your business. Alright, so in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to share a really easy and simple sales funnel that you can start using in your online business right away. We've been using some form of this sales funnel that I'm going to teach you for years. It got me to a multiple six-figure business. We've made some tweaks to it lately, which I will talk about. And just with a tweak that I made, we got $10,000 just from one sale within a week of implementing that tweak and trying something a little bit different. So let's dive right in. All right, guys, so I need to do a disclaimer very quickly. What I'm going to be sharing in this video only works if you know what you're selling, to who, if you are priced properly, and if you understand certain online marketing principles. Basically, you need to have your business foundations in place. Otherwise, you're not going to see results like $10,000 sales. So if you need help figuring that stuff out, then I invite you to a complimentary 30-minute strategy session with my team. I'm going to leave the link to that up here, and I'm also going to leave it in the down bar below. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, let's go into this funnel that made me like $10,000 from one sale. All right, so I've done some videos in the past about the different sales funnel stages. So if you haven't checked those out, I would recommend doing so you have a little bit more context going into this video. But let's start with stage one of the funnel, which is the person, the prospect, the lead, the potential client, the potential customer has no idea who the hell you are, right? This is the part where you have to create really helpful content such as YouTube videos, podcasts. One thing that we've started doing in my company recently, which has really up-leveled our game, and this is one of the tweaks that we made, is I actually started going live every Monday through Thursday at noon for about half an hour discussing different topics. So if you're a subscriber on YouTube, you might notice that I'm going live at noon Monday through Thursday. Come say hello. It also goes to Facebook. It also goes to Periscope and Twitter, and we try to do it on Instagram as well. We use a tool called Restream to be able to do that to all these different places. So that's one of the tweaks that we've made lately that is a lot of fun and is working really well for us. And then from that stage, we move on to the second stage. All right, so stage two is when they've moved from not knowing who you are to basically being in your database, on your email list. Maybe they signed up for some stuff with you. We're gonna have a whole other video just on opt-in, so we can cover that more deeply for you guys. But in this case, what we've been doing is we've been going from live videos, going live at noon, 4 days a week, and then either inviting people to join our email list through a freebie or an opt-in, and sometimes we just invite them straight into a free training or a free webinar. It just kind of depends on what you've got going on. So for example, we've gotten it down to a system where even if you join our email list, we're still going to be inviting you to the webinar in the emails. So if you want to skip that part altogether, you can just go from something like live videos to a webinar invitation. One of my favorite webinar software is EverWebinar and Webinar Jam. So we've been doing some of the webinars live with Webinar Jam, and one of the things that I really love about Webinar Jam is that when you're nurturing the leads and you're sending the emails and you're letting them know about your webinar, they have this thing called one-click registration. So if someone's already on your database or on your email list and they get an email, Webinar Jam will create a link with your webinar where if they're already in your database and they click on it, they're automatically registered registered for the webinar. So that's a super easy way to make sure that your webinars always get filled up. And I kind of already gave away the third phase, and that is to invite someone to a webinar. Now, it could be an automated webinar through software like EverWebinar. If you're pressed for time, they look like they're running live. It's like the greatest thing ever. If you want to see an example of it, then I'm going to leave a link up here, and I'm also going to leave it in the down bar below. Lately, what we've been doing, and this is one tweak we've made, which has been very successful for us, is I said, well, what would happen if I just start doing them live again? Because now I have time to do them live, and I love engaging with my audience on a live basis and answering their questions and all those kinds of things. So we started actually doing live webinars about twice a month, and literally within one day of investing in both Webinar Jam and EverWebinar, because you do have to purchase them separately, we had already made a profit on our investment. And then we, like maybe 2 weeks after that, literally 2 weeks after that, we ended up getting a $10,000 sale. So, we started making money basically right away when we made these tweaks to the funnel. And then we started making even more money from one sale 2 weeks later. Alright guys, so there you have it. Probably one of the easiest sales funnels on the planet. As I mentioned, when we started doing it this way, in addition to all the automations we already had and all the content we put out there, we just decided to make some tweaks and started seeing results very, very quickly. So I just wanted to share that with you so you can start implementing and layering in some of these strategies. As I mentioned in the beginning of the call, if you don't know what you're selling, if you don't know to who, if you haven't productized your services yet, if this whole thing is like new to you but you really want to start an online business, then I definitely recommend checking out one of my most recent free trainings, which is all about how I scaled my consulting business to 6 figures in about 12 months. So I will leave that up here. I will also put it in the down bar below. As always, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with anybody who needs it. Leave us a comment if you've used any of these strategies. And if you haven't joined the Honey Crew yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we will see you here next week.
Survive.